Hello world, here is Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. And guys, this is tutorial number 2, how to trade Bitcoin. For all those guys who don't have seen my tutorial number 1, please watch it. It's a very interesting thing to start trading with Bitcoin. It doesn't matter if you would like going short or long or buy or sell or you will hold it forever. It doesn't matter. In this tutorial, I will show you everything I can, guys, about Bitcoin. And if with every video we will go deeper and deeper and deeper in this technical analysis. We started with the first video with coinmarketcap.com. In my opinion, the important thing you have to watch about cryptocurrencies. Here on the second video, here is the second big site I would like to show you. It's Tradingview.com. It's the second biggest thing you have to know about cryptocurrencies. TradingView has so much power. I will show you here how it works. Here on the ticker of this site you have a search button and you can type in BTC for Bitcoin and USD for US dollar. And you can click here on a platform you would like to trade. It doesn't matter if you don't have a platform or anything like this. It's important for you only to know how it works for the moment. So tradingview.com, and I click here on Binance because I am trading on Binance. So guys, and if you're clicking on TradingView here on Bitcoin and US dollar, you have a lot of information here. For the first, you have here the actual price 50,865. This is the price of Bitcoin in US dollar on Binance. And you can see here, guys, an overview. You have a lot of different prices here for different platforms. You can see Binance 5858, Bitstamp 5825, Coinbase 5798, and so on and so on and so on. So yes, every platform has its own price for Bitcoin. Okay, they are nearly the same, but look at this. Here is BitPay, and on BitPay, momently Bitcoin is the price 48,050, and here on Binance 50,000. Sorry guys, 50,830. So different prices on different platforms. So it's important if you're looking on price charts and on the Bitcoin professors out there on YouTube and so, which chart is he showing you? Is he showing you the BitPay chart? Is he showing you the Binance chart? That's very important. So this is only the information for you guys to become a feeling. There are different platforms where you can buy and sell, short or long, and what else out there. You can see here some, and you can click here on this arrow and you click some more and more and more, and here's TimeX, Global Prime, OKCoin, Bitcoin, and so on and so on and so on, and all have different prices. But for the first thing, you can click on all this and you see here in the chart the different prices of all these platforms. You can see it here. It's very interesting. Every platform has another price here. So okay, but this is not the important thing for TradingView. It's a nice feature here, but it's not the important thing. We are watching on Bitcoin, US dollar, on Binance, and if we scroll down with our mouse, you see here a lot of interesting things. Here, a lot of guys are sharing their ideas. What's going on with Bitcoin? Is it going up or is it going down? Is there a bearish pattern or is it a bullish pattern, and so on and so on. Very interesting. You can take a look about this. The next thing for me, it's so interesting, technicals. If you click on technicals, you can see here so much nice information, guys. Here is Bitcoin, and here is the minute chart, the 5-minute chart, the daily, the weekly, and the months. It's not the chart, it's the time frame. You can see here a quick overview of this TA, which is showing you on the time frame 1 day momently what's going on with Bitcoin. You have here on the downside, if you're scrolling down, moving averages. I will tell you all about moving averages in the future. For the moment, it's not so important for you. The important thing for you is the quick overview. If you are going into TradingView and Bitcoin, the quick overview on the daily, it's telling you, man, you have to buy the summary, you have to buy that Bitcoin. 16 moving averages are telling you buy, 1 is telling you sell, and 9 are neutral. That's the summary here. The moving averages only are telling us 14 moving averages are telling you strong buy that Bitcoin on the daily, and the oscillators, I will tell you everything about the oscillators, stochastic and something like this here, also oscillator and so on the next videos. But for the moment, not so important. The oscillators are telling you on the daily neutral. You are neutral with Bitcoin. And here can click on the 4-hour time frame, and you can see strong buy, and buy. On the hour time frame, strong buy. So everything is looking momently bullish, and you have to buy Bitcoin. On the 15-minute charts, we have a neutral here. On the 5-minute, sorry for charts, it's not a chart, it's the time frame. On the 5-minute, on the very short time frame, 5 minutes, it's telling you sell. So if you would like to buy now Bitcoin in the 5 minutes, it's not so good momently. I have to wait a little bit. That's the thing here, the quick overview. It's not a technically extreme thing here, but it's a quick overview for you if you would like to buy. And if you would like to buy Bitcoin for a month maybe or longer, and you will say you are saying, okay, I will buy Bitcoin, I will not trade it, I will keep it here in my wallet. Here is for the monthly a buy and a strong buy. It's looking nice now to buy for a month. If you are looking on these oscillators and these moving averages, this is telling you Tradingview, and that's so a really nice thing for Tradingview. For the beginners, you have a quick overview here what's going on here. You can scroll down here, a lot of interesting thing here. We have the pivots here. I will telling you what is a pivot and so on in my next videos. For this thing here, very interesting. On overview, you are here back on this Bitcoin crypto chart, and now that's the next important thing. You can go down here. The technical is on the right side. The ideas on this side. Now here are the news for Bitcoin. What's going on here? Morgan Stanley, Litecoin news here. PayPal confirms acquisition, and so on and so on. You can read here a lot of things. It's like CoinMarketCap, but it's more technically here. A lot of information about trading here on the left side. A lot of trader are telling you how they trade, what's the next targets, and so on, and you can scroll down, and a lot of interesting things. So if you would like to step into trading, first of all, yes, CoinMarketCap, quick overview of all coins. The second thing, Tradingview, a near view on Bitcoin or every coin you are typing in here on this search. And that's the best thing now, the full featured chart. Click on full featured chart, and now here is coming our thing. We will work with this thing for a long time. I have here things open. I am closing all, I am deleting all, and if you are clicking on full featured, you will see this here, a thing like this. With the mouse you can scroll into it and zoom into it like this here. I'm zooming, and now I am here on the live chart of Bitcoin. You can see it here, Bitcoin US dollar 1 hour. We are here on Bitcoin US dollar 1 hour, and every candle is now 1 hour. The red candle is 1 hour, the green candle, and this green candle momently is also 1 hour. On the right side here is the price, and under the price you see the time, how long you have to wait before closing this candle. 10 minutes momently to closing this 1 hour candle. And you see the candle has always a fixed body, a full body here, and a wick to the upside and or to the downside. So like this here, a wick to the downside, a very long wick, or a very long wick to the upside, and the body here, this is the closed candle. I will tell you more about these candles and candle pattern and so on in the next videos. But for all you have to know for the moment, you have green candles. The green candles are going to the upside. You have red candles. The red candles are going to the downside. So important for you, green candles are bullish candles for the bulls, and red candles are bearish candles for the bears. The bears are pressing the mark to the downside, and the bulls are pressing the mark to the upside. That's very important for trading here. And here on the upper side of this trading view, we have a lot of things you can make. Here on the left side, we have a lot of things we can make, and all these things, guys, I will show you on the next videos. What can you make with this trading view? One of the best tools here on the whole internet. I think it's so much things you can do here, and we can read so much things from this chart here, and I will show you these things all, I promise, in the next videos. With video number 3, we will follow this tutorial and I will show you the next important thing here with Tradingview. Guys, it doesn't matter if you're going long or short, if you buy or sell. I wish you make millions with your trades out there. Very important. I'm not a financial advisor. This is only for your personal trading opinion. If you're going long or short, it depends on you guys. I can only show you how this TA works, and I can give you tips and tricks and all my information and my knowledge I have. Guys, I wish you the best of luck. Sorry. Have a nice time. Make it good. Greetings. Yours Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. Bye bye.